I'm late. I'm late for a very important date. Uh-oh, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the White Rabbit from Beast Kingdom, MC-068 from Alice in Wonderland. What a great looking statue figurine here. It is hand painted, and it just is a fabulous, fabulous rendition of the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. He stands approximately 36 centimeters high. He's about 24 centimeters at the widest point, I can guess. Here. As you can see here, this thing is just great. Now it does have cloth material on it. His well, the blue I don't know what you would call that, scarf thing going around his neck, and his bib in the back and bib in the front. His overthrow there, that is also cloth. His glasses do come off. Fabulous paint job, colors are great. Just fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Who doesn't love Alice in Wonderland? I sure did. We have number 412 of 3,000. Alice in Wonderland, Mastercraft, The White Rabbit, MC-068. Check it out and get in on it.